Um, Rule 20, Rule 25, sailing vessels underway and vessels under oars. A sailing vessels underway shall exhibit 1. Side lights. 2. A stern light. B. In a sailing vessels of less than 20 meters in length, the light prescribed in paragraph A of this rule may be combined in those lantern carried at near the top of the mast where it can best be been. C. A sailing vessels underway may in addition to the light prescribed in paragraph A of this rule exhibit at or near the top of the mast where they can best be seen two all-round light in a vertical line, the upper being red and the lower green, but this light shall not be exhibited in conjunction with the combined lantern permitted by paragraph B of this rule. D. 1. A sailing vessel of less than 7 meters in length shall, if practicable, exhibit the light prescribed in paragraph A or B of these rules, but if she does not, she shall have ready at hand an electric torch or lighted lantern showing a white light which shall be exhibited in sufficient time to prevent collision. 2. A vessel under parts may exhibited the lights prescribed prescribed in this rule for sailing vessel, but if she does not, she shall have ready at hand an electric torch or lighted lantern showing a white light which shall be exhibited in sufficient time to prevent collision. E. A vessel proceeding under sail when also being propelled by machinery shall exhibit forward when it can best be seen a conical shaped apex downward.